Look for traffic controls. Traffic controls can be in many different places. At major intersections, controls can be overhead in the center of the road or on the corner. Predict. When you predict, you take the information you have identified and imagine what might happen. You predict where possible points of conflict may occur. Can you predict a conflict in this situation? Look at the lights here. Objective. Explain how knowledge and experience helps you make accurate predictions. How to predict. Predicting involves what is happening in your zone. What could happen if it does happen, and how change could affect you. To predict, you must evaluate the situation and make a judgment about possible consequences. As you gain driving experience, you will become more selective about which hazards or possible conflicts are crucial. Scanning your target area can help you predict hazards that may affect your path of travel. Critical. What might you predict will happen if you were this driver? You gotta watch the bicyclist here, you gotta watch the car back here, you got no passing zone, you got a bridge. So what are some things you predict? What to predict? 3 major elements in the traffic scene that you must make predictions about. The action of other roadway users, your control of your vehicle, the consequences for your action. Do not assume other roadway users will always take the correct action. Instead, watch for clues to what they might do to alter zone conditions. Predicting actions of others. The most important type of prediction is to make certain the action of others. Concerning the action of others. Path. Where the other driver go. Action. What actions will others take? Space. Will I have an open zone? Point of conflict. If all zones are closed, where might a conflict occur? Vehicle and pedestrians make this a hazardous situation. What dangers should you predict in this situation? Predicting controls of your vehicle. Speed is probably the most important factor in maintaining control of your vehicle. Always be prepared to adjust your speed for different zone conditions and situations. Traffic, roadway, and weather condition can change the amount of time and space needed for a safe reaction. The basic requirements for vehicle control is traction. Traction is the actual gripping power between the tires and the road surface. What should the drivers predict about stopping distance? What actions should the drivers take? Objective. Explain how knowledge and experience helps you make accurate predictions. Knowledge. One basic part of your driving knowledge comes from the study of traffic law and traffic education material. Whenever you drive, you also gain knowledge by gathering more information and storing it in your memory bank. The more you drive, the more you add to your memory bank of knowledge. This knowledge will help you identify and predict more quickly and accurately to increase your chances of becoming a low-risk driver. Judgment. Make a judgment about a traffic situation involves measuring, comparing, evaluating. As you drive, you judge speed, time, space, distance, traction, and visibility. You also need to make judgments about your own driving performance. Evaluate the actions and performance of other roadway users. The ability to make sound judgment will lead you to accurate predictions. Experience. Experience helps you improve your ability to predict accurately. Explore to a wide variety of driving situations provides a solid base for making sound judgment later. In many situations, you may have a choice of action to predict. Try to judge and compare the possible consequences before deciding on the best action. Review. Explain how an orderly search pattern helps you to be a safe driver. Explain how knowing the zones around your car can help support the ability to identify and predict.